Shobha Gupta, the locus standi, doesn't exist in this particular case, is what the convict lawyer is saying.
Well, see, Preeti ji, as far as this argument is concerned, legal argument we will deal in court. Whether we will not, I need not to deal with this argument at all. But this legal argument, I'm sure the petitioners who have filed it would deal with in their court. Me as lawyer for Bilkis, as a citizen of this country, a woman, a lawyer otherwise. For all those reasons, I'm more than happy that society, somebody from society, a representative of society, I'm not considering them a political party. I have seen the petitions. These are individuals who have come. So I can be associated to a profession, I can be associated to any other, whatever occupation I am in. But these are individuals and nowhere they are claiming their position as a petitioner because of belonging to a political party. I have seen myself both the petition.
Right, okay.
Individuals have come as a society. When
I'm sorry, please have your facts correct. One is filed by a CPIM member and other is by Trinamool Congress.
No, the Trinamool Congress, okay. Mahua Moitra has made it very clear that she's approached the courts in the capacity of Mahua Moitra, not Mahua Moitra MP
But
TMC.
just let me complete.
Yes, go ahead, ma'am.
So this is, I have read the petition carefully. They have not, it is their duty to disclose all their credentials because that is the requirement of the guidelines for a PIL to be filed. If I file a petition, say I am a lawyer by profession, but I am raising this public interest litigation, public interest cause, or if Rishi goes for a public cause to be raised by a PIL, does that mean a lawyer has come and a lawyer wants to do this and he had been a lawyer for so and so? All this doesn't come. We are citizen first. They have gone as a citizen of this country, and as I have been saying, this is a collective pain caused by this remission order.
Right.
This is a national shame brought. We are pained collectively. Any of us could have gone. Law keep improving. We keep progressing when it comes to interpretation of these technical aspects.
Rishi Malhotra, what was
this matter also?
Yes, Rishi Malhotra, what was the point that you were raising on the second count?
Yeah. My second point of preliminary objection was, and that is very quite strange, I have never seen across my 25-30 years of legal experience, that a petition has been filed in Supreme Court alleging challenging of a remission order. And that remission order is not in court's file. And yet allegations are made that the remission order is bereft of this thing and bereft of that thing. And this is quite shocking actually, that they even don't know what has the reason transpired, and yet they are challenging a remission order without that order being placed on file to judges to see. And please don't forget, there may be 50 grounds in a writ petition. What is crucial in the court is what has been argued and what has been conceded. Mr. Kapil Sibal on 2 occasions, let me make this fact very clear. Mr. Kapil Sibal, who was representing the petitioner today, on 2 occasions made this thing very clear. Namely, first, that he is not challenging the judgment of Supreme Court of May 2022. Now what does that mean? It means that the Supreme Court ordering that the cases to be considered as per 92 policy remains untouched. Number 2, what today Mr. Kapil Sibal mentioned is that what all he wants is, and please mark my words, what all he wants is that whether there was any application of mind, that's all. Now if the state of Gujarat as well as the central government produces the record and the counter affidavit and the judges are satisfied, yes, there was indeed application of mind, I am afraid these petitions have any legs to stand on.
But Rishi Malhotra, don't you find
objection,
right, but Rishi Malhotra, don't you find it a little odd that the fact that the remission copy that Bilkis's lawyer, Ms. Gupta, has actually, Bilkis has filed an RTI through her to get that remission order copy is not even with you, sir? How is it that the remission order copy is missing? Where is the remission order copy?
No, it must be lying with the state. That's my second point. That without, it was what you call a premature and what you call a speculative writ petition in Supreme Court, that they don't know what is the reason behind the remission order, and yet they just jump into Supreme Court and mention it before the Supreme Court
Shobha Gupta, you want to come
and have this order got notice issued. Well, this is something